Phase 2 of the registration exercise for the Mukuru Affordable Housing Program is currently underway, targeting some 2,000 residents living in informal settlements in South B. The exercise is coming 4 months since the launch of the Mukuru Affordable Housing Project. The exercise is being conducted by Affordable Housing Board's Ruth Wekesa together with Area MCA Waithera Shege. The exercise comes at a time when the housing program continues to draw mixed reactions from Kenyans.
This is the team that we are now dealing with today, and we have been able to register as at today only over 600 people. The previous time we had a team of over 483 from South B only that got the houses at Mukuru. You know, now this team, if you combine that and the one that we are registering today, I will have just to say thank you to the affordable housing team because they are doing a very good work.
Anything you ask, you will be answered promptly. So I feel it's an easy process because at least pia gava may provide the people to guide you through the whole process.
Sheria inakubali kuwa unaweza badilisha nyumba kutoka studio to 1 bedroom ama 2 bedroom, na unaweza pia badilisha kutoka 2 bedroom kurudi vile unataka. Sasa kwa wale ambao walipewa studio wanaruhusiwa ndio kubadilisha to 1 bedroom ama 2 bedroom.
Niko na marafiki zangu wawili watatu, more than 10. Na wamepata nyumba, nilienda huko kuangalia nyumba, nikaona ziko smart aje. Sasa zikanipatia motisha ile ya kweli yenyewe, nikakuwa hata mimi natamani nikuwe na nyumba kama hiyo.